Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with 2 prerequisites: correct Instagram account and phone contacts organized. First, open Instagram and sign in, then go straight to Settings, tap Account, and find Contacts Sync. Turn the Contacts Sync toggle on so Instagram can compare numbers and emails. Once done, grant the operating system permission when prompted. This lets the app read saved contacts. Make sure duplicated or obsolete numbers are cleaned up first. It reduces false matches and speeds discovery. Now you'll find matches. Tap your profile, then discover people, and choose contacts. Instagram shows suggested accounts based on matching phone numbers and emails. Scan these results and tap profiles to verify identity. If you see multiple matches, compare profile photos and bios to confirm who's who. Use the search bar to filter by name or username if suggestions are noisy. Once verified, follow or message directly. Following increases the chance Instagram will suggest mutual friends next. Finish by syncing again, go back to Contacts Sync and toggle off, wait a few seconds, then toggle on to force a refresh. If suggestions don't appear, make sure Instagram has contact permission in your phone settings. Regranting often resolves hiccups. Also check privacy. Some people hide their phone or email on Instagram, which prevents matching, and account blocks or limits can hide suggestions. If problems persist, log out and back in, or update the app to ensure the latest Contact Sync fixes are applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.